Shot flicked up from the patch by Salim. That's a 6 to start. Shot again, this time through the offside. Oh, another one belted out off the ground by Salim. 2-2. After pretty good deliveries, with taking a wicket of Ghani, Salim, the new man, comes in. And two big bangs. Pulled away. That's the third one in a row. Oh, Salim. Way over wideish long on. 3 in this over. Big hits from the big guns. The guns are firing now for Bhavan Alapi. Superb hitting. Full toss. Oh, it is 4 sixes in this. Aniket Sanab started off really well, but ended up in a tragedy. 25 for 1, end of the over number 1. Salim just played 5 deliveries, scored 4 sixes. Great start, a flyer of a start. A full delivery from Salim. Full again, but this time he couldn't clear. Oh, the trap is on. And he goes. Ghani makes no mistake. Wicket again. This is the 4th one biting the second full toss for Yasir Arafat. First minute nailed and next minute he failed. തൻ്റെ കാത്തിരിപ്പ് തുടരുന്നതിനിടയിൽ മറുവശത്ത് അടിച്ചകറ്റി തന്നെ മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ വെമ്പുന്ന ബാറ്റേഴ്സ് വിക്കറ്റ് നൽകി മടങ്ങുന്ന